My school project is due next week.
That sounds important, buddy.
Can you help me buy the materials today?
Today?
Yes, I made a list.
Let me see.
Cardboard, glue, colored paper, and small lights.
Small lights? That sounds cool.
Can we go now?
I'm sorry, Henry. I have to finish this work first.
But you said later yesterday. Daddy, look at my picture.
1 second, sweetheart.
It is our family.
That's beautiful, Rose.
You didn't look.
I did look. I promise.
Only a little. Dad is always busy.
Henry?
It's okay. I know. Later.
Buddy, I really want to help.
Then why are you always too busy?
Dinner will be ready soon. Let's all take a breath.
I'm going to my room. I will take my picture too.
Kids!
Maybe Dad does not care. He forgot again. Maybe Daddy is just tired. He is always tired. He works a lot. I know, but I need him too. I needed him to see my picture. He said it was beautiful. But he didn't really see it. See? He is too busy for everything.
No, I am never too busy for snacks.
Popcorn, don't step on my list.
This paper has no snacks. Very disappointing.
He looks sad too. Maybe everyone is sad. Maybe later means tomorrow. Maybe later means never.
Sometimes tired people still care, but tired love can be hard to see.
Then why does it feel like he doesn't care? I don't want Daddy to forget us. Maybe he doesn't care. Henry, look. What? Daddy's shoes are broken. They're not broken. They're just old. This part is open. The bottom is almost gone.
I have discovered a dangerous object.
Popcorn doesn't like them. They're Dad's shoes, Popcorn.
A brave cat knows when to retreat.
Old shoes can tell old stories.
Maybe he doesn't care about shoes either.
What are you two looking at?
Daddy, your shoes are tired.
My shoes are tired?
Very tired. Dad, why don't you buy new ones?
These are still okay.
They don't look okay.
They can wait.
Shoes can wait?
These shoes can.
Everything can wait, right?
Henry, that's not what I mean.
It feels like everything is later.
I'm sorry. I need to take this.
Of course. Where's my list? Mom?
Good morning, Henry.
What is all this?
What does it look like?
Cardboard? Glue? Colored paper? Small lights?
Your project materials.
But we didn't go to the store.
No, we didn't.
Did you buy them?
Not me.
For Henry's project. Is that your project stuff? Yes. Daddy remembered? Maybe Mom reminded him.
I did not.
Then when did Dad buy these?
After you went to bed.
He went to the store?
Yes.
But he was too busy.
He was busy, but he still went.
Daddy went at night?
Yes. He said your project was important.
He said that?
He did.
But why didn't he tell me?
Maybe he wanted you to see the surprise.
I thought he forgot.
Sometimes we do not see everything at first.
I see glue.
That is a good start.
He went at night. My blue is gone. Use green. The sky is not green. If the sky is green, maybe Snacks falls from it. No, Popcorn, this is not for you.
Rose, can you check this bag for me?
Is it food?
Not food.
New colors! Whoa! Blue, purple, pink, gold.
There is something else.
A new backpack?
Your old one has a broken zipper.
Daddy knew?
Yes, he noticed last week.
For Rose's big ideas. Daddy remembered my colors. He remembered your backpack too. He saw it.
A quiet father may still notice small things.
He bought my project stuff. He bought Rose's colors. Daddy remembered me. Then why didn't he buy new shoes? Mom, did Dad want to buy new shoes? Mom, what is this paper?
Which one?
This one. It has shoes on it. Those shoes look nice.
Those were for Dad.
For Dad? New shoes for Daddy?
Yes.
Then where are they?
He canceled the order.
Canceled? Why?
He said his old shoes could wait.
Again?
This time, he meant it for himself.
Because of my project?
Your project was part of it.
And my colors?
And your colors, and your backpack.
But he needed shoes.
Yes, he did.
Why didn't he tell us?
because Dad does not like to make love sound like a bill.
What does that mean?
It means he does not want you to feel bad. He just wanted to help.
Daddy bought my colors, but not his shoes?
Yes,
I said he didn't care,
you were hurt.
but I was wrong.
You are learning.
Mom, is Dad sad?
I think Dad is tired, but he loves you very much.
We should love him back. We need to do something. Dad is home.
Hi, everyone.
Hi, Daddy. Hi, Dad.
Why is everyone so quiet? Henry, are you okay?
Dad, can we talk
Of course.
about your shoes?
My shoes again?
They are very tired.
Yes. Maybe they are.
You were going to buy new ones.
You saw the order?
Mom was cleaning the papers. We saw it.
I see.
You canceled your shoes
Yes?
because of my project. And my colors.
Because both of you needed those things.
But you needed shoes too.
I did.
Then why?
Because your project had a date. Rose's backpack was broken. My shoes could wait a little longer.
You always say later.
I know.
I thought maybe you didn't care.
Oh, Henry.
I was angry.
I understand.
I was wrong.
You were hurt. That is different.
But you did care.
Always.
You remembered my colors.
Of course I did.
And my backpack.
The zipper was very tired too.
Dad, why didn't you tell us?
I did not want you to worry.
But we want to know. We want to care too.
That means a lot to me.
Dad, you were not too busy to love us. You were busy because you loved us.
Come here.
I'm sorry, Dad. Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you for seeing.
I'm glad you told me.
Me too. Are you looking at Daddy's shoes? Yes. They are still tired. Rose, pass me the cloth. Here. We have to be gentle. Because the shoes are tired.
I am the shoe inspector.
Careful, Popcorn. Don't pull the lace.
My professional work is not appreciated.
He looks very serious. Maybe he wants to help. This shoe is clean now. This one too.
The card is ready.
Can I write the last line?
Of course.
What does it say? We see you, Dad. I like that.
What is happening here?
A small surprise. Not a big surprise. Just a real one.
You cleaned my shoes?
They were tired. And you were tired too.
Thank you.
We know new shoes are still better.
Tomorrow, we are all going to the store.
For what?
For your shoes!
Oh, I can wait.
No, Dad. No more wait.
This time, we take care of you.
Okay.
A family is not only people who need each other, it is people who see each other.
And people who share dinner.
Popcorn, not on the table.
Can Daddy sit first? Yes! Dad sits first today.
That sounds nice.
And tomorrow, new shoes. Together.
Together.
Subscribe to Dr. Purr
And popcorn!
for more stories. See you next time. Bye.